Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to contact Coinbase by phone. To contact Coinbase support team via a phone call, first of all you'll need to open a web browser and sign into your Coinbase account. Open up a web browser and type in coinbase.com in the URL box. You will then end up in the home page of Coinbase. If necessary, log into your account by entering your account's login credentials. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. In the options, click on Help. Under the Help option, you can go ahead and choose any help topic you need to discuss to the customer service representative. If you want to directly make a phone call, simply go to the bottom and click on this Contact Us button. Now choose Coinbase as your product. Under Help by Product. After you choose Coinbase, scroll down and get to this phone support option and click on it. You will then be able to see this pop up where you can click on Request a Call in order to contact the Coinbase support team via a phone call. Coinbase does not advertise the phone number as the primary way to contact support, but if you want to make a phone call and get help, you can click on this button and go ahead and request your call with the customer service team. So that is how you can contact Coinbase by phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.